Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rate an app on iPhone. So you have two ways of how you can find an app. So first of all, go to the App Store and you can search for this app clicking on the search button in the bottom right corner and search for for example, Instagram app, or you can just go back and click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to the apps right here. Go to the My Apps, and from the My Apps list, choose an app you want to rate. So for example, I want to rate Threads, so I'll go to the Threads application, and here if I scroll down just a little bit, I will find ratings and reviews, and if I scroll down a little bit more, I will tap to rate option. So here I can rate this application by 5 stars or less, or I can just write a review if I want. So click on the write a review if you want to write a review for this application. Rate for the stars, choose the title for your review, so for example super, and type your review about this application. So include what you like about this application, what you don't like, and maybe the developers will answer your review also. And basically that is it. If you want to post this review, you can just simply click on this send button in the top right corner, and that's it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.